Welcome back. In this lesson of HTML tutorial, we'll talk about HTML list. HTML list we use to specify lists of information, and HTML list may contain one or more list elements. There is three different types of HTML lists: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So now through the code, let's see all HTML lists. Let's start with an ordered list. To create an ordered list, we use UL tag. So let's create UL tag. And now we have an empty list. To add data inside an ordered list, we use li tags or list items. So let's create 3 list items. And now here inside list items we can put some content. Okay, also we can add before list some title, and for that we're going to use h1 tag. And here we can add let's say web programming. Now when we save changes and reload page, you can see that we have a list. And based on these bullets icons before text, we know this is an ordered list. If we want, we can change type of these bullets. By default, it's disk, but we can specify inside the UL tag here, we can add type attribute. And we can specify another square bullets. So here we can specify square bullets. And now if we save changes and reload page, you can see we have square bullets. And third bullets we can specify here is circle. So here inside the type attribute, we're gonna specify circle. And now you can see that we have circle bullets inside the list items. Okay, to create ordered list, we use OL tag. So here we're gonna change instead the UL tag, we're gonna add OL tag. And also we can delete type attribute. And now when we save changes, you can see that we have numbers inside the list. So now it is ordered list. Also here we can add type attribute for OL tag. And here if we specify small a, we can see that instead numbers we have letters A, B, C. Here if we specify capital A, now we have capital A, B, C. If we need to have nested list inside another list, let's say we want to have a sublist for the first list item, HTML. We can add list on the same way. So here we can add oil tags. And again, we need to add list items. And here we can add, let's see, HTML version 1.1 and HTML version 1.2. And now when we save changes and reload page, you can see that we have a nested list inside ordered list. And here we have sublist for the first list item HTML. And the third HTML list we're gonna cover today is HTML description list. Description list is list of terms with description of each term. And now first I want to delete this nested list here. And also we can delete the type attribute inside the ordered list. And now instead oil tag, we're gonna use DL tag to create description list or definition list. Instead list items we use DT tags to create a list of terms. And now if we want to describe a specific term, we use DD tags. So for HTML and CSS term, let's add some description. And now when we save changes and reload page, you can see that we have description list. And also for HTML term and CSS term, we have a description inside the list. I hope you enjoy video. If you have some questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.